Did you know 57% of UK adults prefer showers over baths? With showers becoming more and more popular, we thought we'd discuss walk-in showers and why choose one for your bathroom renovation. What is a walk-in shower? Simply put, it's a shower with a more open plan aesthetic without a fully fitted enclosure. It has a single or double shower screen to create a more minimal look, with access being a key feature. Think wet room but on a smaller scale and with a tray too. Why choose a walk-in shower? Walk-in showers are great for even smaller bathrooms. The minimal shower enclosure creates the illusion of openness and doesn't overpower smaller bathrooms. They have great accessibility with flush to the floor shower trays and no doors to open and close. Less glass, hinges and runs than a traditional shower enclosure means less cleaning too. Have you thought about a walk-in shower for your bathroom? Leave any questions below and be sure to click the link in the description to read a full blog post with lots of information regarding walk-in showers and how they can transform your bathroom. Subscribe for more bathroom content and be sure to like this video too.